and as a lady be NPP women organizer from Canada, Aba, person in the Bay. Also, let her come to the office. And I will go to the office. And to walk on the outpass away, no, so into a party activist. So now is an Nana, or be on him, Nanebiano, Nana or your Europa, Nana or your Putocaso, Tizo, Betty, no Pesseria or poking things here. And also, this weekend, the crown, yeah, caught a year Kumasi party for a Kumasi. How she got access to this jet that we are talking about is what I'm putting here. My man, my dad, I'll say be a president and say that friend, not the neighbor jet, it is a lie. Don't go and listen to something double ya. When you put down for bar, life a beating. Then, play no mutimono. Sabi, and ya kufu don't quantity. Mutie. Party executives, party heads near the day. Now, the Amama Catcher will say, Serwaa ye bay for and say, what catch lay in answer or ye sebi, or be or poor bar, and I'm a boy. San or catch lay. San or catch lay in Mutie, San or catch lay in Not Sana time or catch lay so or poor bar no. Not Sabi, MPP, big mind, Warino, hosting by ya, Warino. Say, dear. Who compare be and your president in the compromising position where take a picture because Oba Hotel Hona your pamon Sasa Kramino or friend down from our land and catch and say, I dear Kufu Adwayamino, I will never forgive that man. I will never forgive that man. I say, what has the man done to you? Into Amukana would you say be the catcher say a Kufu do a repun and answer why you could you believe he didn't even give me audience? Like I said, he didn't want me there. In fact, he treated me bad. And I said, if this is what the party people will do there, and Serwaa, I will bring them down. Serwaa, come and tell me this is a lie. Come and tell me you didn't call your friend in London and confess these two. This story I'm talking about, the big MPP lady I'm talking about in Ghana is also aware of this thing. Say, when be asked the idea need to know or bring a party down. So all she needed was compromise. Now one can imagine pictures a Google way. A blue papa in the baby near the camera far angle say near the channel. You say, I was with the president. Monica Louise could not be a was spare near the idea war a shirt to near the idea. No, what the audience selfie pictures here, and fuck him, and I'll be blackmailing. Now, the reason why she got bitter was the fact, say, hopes in our tune and you see in so no, because Madam Gift ya doya, the papa won't kunumuntu, so ni kunumusa. And watching at the Asheni dem and who to not the effort. But just what you say. And the favors ya na air sankawonya no sono. And was starting yes or yeah extortion. Now, on the 20th of September 2020, Serwaa, you went to EcoBank, ANC Mall, to collect money. A woman, big-breasted woman, and one man were the people who took you to the bank for you to go and collect Sesikano. Or in the name say, Yanya dia, Obeba Bekase, and a president, I say president, I say. Your target was Hobson because Hobson there were adamant to say, yes, you have a compromising picture of him, but not the president. Serwaa, you take pictures of people and threaten them, say, if they don't give you money or do what you want, you are going to expose them. Now, Mr. Technician, put the meaning of extortion on here right now. Extortion is the first one I want to see. Let's go. Zoom in. Let the viewers see it. What's about them? Obai pull and ebete wati. Obai pull and ebete. Now face up yes, police. Me say Canada and say Ghana. Police a year juma with the laws. So far as I haven't broken any law, I have not threatened your life, I haven't threatened anything, I have the freedom of speech because my freedom of speech is not infringing on your freedom. You understand? That me and you, we shall see who is going to be in a bigger trouble in the next few days. Obviously, me say may say that the evidence we are trying when they say I'm actually going to go through with it and take you to court. Expose the lies. The lies you have been cheating the Canadian system with Nina Beba. Now, say your cousin extortioner. Obi fra there be no Jimmy for bar. Or I do on Tiasia. Come say mon friend Samson Dabo Yanamra. So betty we are see about on Tiasia with Jimmy. Ain't one Tiasia, but down for baby sano. Or yes, sorry, I know I am the sacrantia ye who ne talk. I can find hey, as Yaka. Kasa bi se bulu keke oda fa on nke oda fa basiani gbemene me fe ameba social media because internet is cheap ka ba me ba awie foolishly and I can find that say ni come on something ake ke we akwa me lifestyle the lifestyle Ekufuado has lived they even their parents couldn't even live that life. Jimmy Nibia Beba, Ekufuado if him in a can, Ekufuado and Nensa will make Ekufuado somehow. We are more a Jimmy for a woman answer. Social media trend. Mr. Serwaa, you shouldn't have taken $1 since you claimed this was a plot to kill you. You shouldn't have taken $1. The moment you took money, it destroyed whatever case you had. The moment you left audio messages, say, you would expose this, you exposed it, you complicated your own shallow-minded self. I thought you were a deep thinker. I thought you were a smart girl. I know you book smart keke. Reading keke na winim. If you answer, you be in calm. Now face you answer. Because maybe can't boko. And our man was see a fool because tata wechi. And now cried and almost say may a crackhead. Now say Nezanke you good. Hey, men no crack the Azanke nya bad you. Men no crack yan Kenya bad. But to be in Canada, the be a winning me crack ya a day. Ah! Now, Sakasaka, you will reassure. Say, we bet me as she become a mess, man, share no be mum. Name will make up on a crack. I see, I will not crack, and I'm a wagon. I bassa, and they will cassie, watch an hour cassie. Today I would expose you. When I would tell my time and do I time womb, nice, still I or 9 hour time more. Now, extortion. The practice of obtaining something, especially money, through force or threat. He used bribery and extortion to build himself a huge art-stuffed mansion. Kosoro, examples of extortion. Mepacho Kosoro. Good. Extortion is defined as the practice of trying to get something through force, threat, or blackmail. Serwaa, did you see that? Extortion is defined as the practice of trying to get something through force, threat, or blackmail. So you threatening Hobson and threatening all the leaders say. So one man who's coming and go see what I say you would expose them, no. It is criminal offense and get ready for it because it's coming. When you threaten to release embarrassing pictures of someone, unless he gives you $100, this is an example of extortion. Is somebody here? Is somebody here? Mutie. Now, I feel called blackmail. Take me to the blackmail. Let us set the